In spirituality, concepts like manifestation and the law of attraction are frequently discussed. But what do they really mean, and how do they work? Today, we'll explore these ideas, uncover the principles behind them, and reveal the 8 most effective manifestation methods taught by higher dimensional beings. To understand why manifestation and the law of attraction work, we must first recognize that everything is mind. Everything you see, feel, touch, and experience, every aspect of material reality, is a creation of consciousness shaped by your thoughts. Whatever occupies your mind inevitably manifests in your reality, though it may take different forms and time to unfold. This is why understanding how this process works is essential. The underlying principle is that when your consciousness focuses on a thought, it immediately takes form on another level of reality, the 6th density plane. Your focused awareness generates subtle energy structures, and physical manifestations are simply the result of consciousness shaping these thought forms into tangible reality. Therefore, to create your desired reality, you must direct your consciousness toward thought forms, which emerge from the integration of the 5 physical senses with the 6th sense, imagination. Once this connection is established in the mind, maintain focused attention on the mental image for a sustained period. Then close your eyes, enabling your consciousness to project outward, initiating the creation of a thought form on another plane, the 6th density plane, where manifestation is instantaneous. However, for it to materialize on a 3rd density or 4th density planet, it requires a gestation period. This process is akin to a seed sprouting or a baby developing in the womb, with the time frame varying depending on the complexity of the thought form. What exactly are thought forms? They are created through the fusion of 3 fundamental elements essential to all forms of creation. The first is the imaginative self, your astral self as perceived from a first-person perspective within the mind. When this imaginative form merges with emotions, feelings, and sound, it gives rise to the foundational thought forms necessary for manifestation. Here's an example of how thought forms can be applied in our time-space plane to create physical manifestations. If you have a mobile phone, set alarms at least 3 times a day with a congratulatory message, as if your desired manifestation has already become a reality in the physical plane. When the alarm goes off, take a moment to engage in thought form projection, visualizing your desire as already fulfilled and immersing yourself in the feelings of joy, satisfaction, or accomplishment. You can also reinforce this reality by projecting an inner voice saying, "Congratulations, I did it." This affirmation can be spoken aloud as well, though doing so may attract curious reactions from others. In addition, you can project your consciousness onto the thought forms of your desired reality during times when your eyes are closed, such as during rest or sleep, to accelerate the manifestation process. By understanding the concept of thought forms, you'll realize that they are more consistent in their structure than the energy fields of physical matter. After all, everything in the physical world is ultimately created through thought forms. Thought forms condense into finite energy in the 6th density, where they begin to germinate before eventually manifesting in our plane. The physical world, in essence, is a delayed reflection of these thought forms. Once you understand this, you'll realize that creation itself originates from within, as an expression of the Creator's power. The second method involves programming your subconscious mind. Our mind is divided into 10% conscious and 90% subconscious. The subconscious mind controls vital functions like breathing, heart rate, movement, balance, blood flow to essential organs, and virtually everything necessary to keep us alive. It also shapes our reality by influencing the perceptions and beliefs it has been programmed with. The subconscious resides in every cell of the body, not just in the brain, as many people assume. Scientific understanding also supports the idea that the subconscious mind shapes your reality, and this reality can be altered by changing the perceptions and beliefs held within the subconscious. In other words, by directly communicating with the subconscious mind, the imagination, you can transform your perceived reality. This allows you to embody qualities like being the world's greatest ballet dancer, or, on a more serious note, becoming a non-smoker, extremely confident, or even almost superhuman. The subconscious mind also serves as a bridge to your higher self, acting as a gateway to deeper layers of awareness, including the intuitive and spiritual guidance that emerges from your higher self. To program your subconscious mind, visualize your desired reality just before falling asleep, when the conscious mind becomes dormant and the subconscious is most active. Imagine your goal as already achieved, using vivid visualizations, emotions, and inner affirmations. The key to this process is feeling. You must fully immerse yourself in the emotions of your desire being realized, as if you're experiencing it in the present moment. Hold this vision and feeling until you fall asleep. This is because when you are about to fall asleep, your conscious mind becomes less active and begins to relax, while your subconscious mind becomes more active. As you drift into sleep, the conscious mind fades, and the subconscious takes over, becoming more receptive to suggestions, images, and emotions. This is why practices like visualization or affirmations before sleep can be so effective in programming the subconscious mind to align with your desires. By doing this, you hack your subconscious mind, convincing it that your imagined reality is already true. Since the subconscious perceives reality through imagination and emotions, rather than physical senses, it will begin to manifest this vision in your physical world. The subconscious mind perceives reality primarily through imagination and emotions, rather than through the physical senses. While the conscious mind relies on sensory input to interpret the external world, the subconscious mind processes experiences based on internal images, emotions, beliefs, and perceptions. It doesn't distinguish between imagined and real experiences in the same way the conscious mind does. This is why visualization, emotions, and inner dialogue can have such a powerful influence on the subconscious, shaping your reality over time. The third method involves using meditation to create your desired reality. To begin, enter a void state, a state of pure consciousness where there are no thoughts, words, or images, only stillness and awareness. In this state, you access the power of creation. Once fully immersed in pure consciousness, visualize the reality you wish to manifest, and, most importantly, feel the emotions as if it is happening in the present moment. The more vivid and real your imagination feels, the faster it will materialize into your physical reality. Another meditation method involves using tools to enhance the process. Place a pyramidal structure above your crown chakra and focus your attention on entering a specific timeline or reality that aligns with your desired outcome. This allows your consciousness to expand rapidly, deepening your awareness and connection to creation. Once you learn to coordinate your imagination with the pyramidal structure, whether during meditation or sleep, you can shift into a chosen timeline up to 10 times faster. However, it is essential to carefully select the right timeline, as this method can also lead to unintended realities if the choice is not made with clarity and intention. The next method involves connecting with your higher self, which can be achieved through meditation or sleep using vivid imagination. To establish this connection, visualize and signal your higher self to guide you toward your desired timeline. This process is similar to the previous meditation technique, where you use imagination and emotions to envision your desired reality as already fulfilled. Another method is related to the number 1111. The number 1111 is often seen as the most intuitive of all numbers. It symbolizes the Creator, the light, and the act of creation itself. When you encounter 1111, it signifies that you are in a powerful moment where you can step into the role of the Creator and bring your desires into reality. When you want to manifest something, focusing on this number helps you connect more quickly with the infinite Creator. Therefore, whenever you see the number 1111, take that moment to visualize your desire as if it has already come true. Feel the feelings as if you are experiencing it now. However, there is a slight time delay. When you see the number 1111, you can emit light intensely enough to reach the divine infinite consciousness, which requires expressing strong emotions. By doing so, you align yourself with your manifestation, allowing it to materialize more quickly in your reality. The next method involves connecting with the intelligent infinity by mastering the present moment. This means fully immersing yourself in the now, where deep silence always exists, even if most beings fail to notice it. Present moment awareness is the key to establishing a direct connection with the divine, the one infinite Creator. No other awareness is necessary, only the ability to be fully present in the here and now. To establish this connection, focus your attention on the inner light, pure consciousness, or the presence of the Creator, before any thoughts, images, or sounds arise in the mind. This presence is not the same as the observer many refer to. Rather than simply observing, you must keep your attention on the light of consciousness for as long as possible. Over time, as you release all thoughts, you will merge with this inner presence, the divine essence of the one infinite Creator, which exists within and around everything. This step is crucial, as all creation originates from the Creator's presence. Without it, manifestation cannot occur. This step is the most challenging and often overlooked, as many people fail to fully grasp the significance of intelligent infinity and its creative power. Once this understanding is fully realized, the next step can be applied, creating a positive karmic imbalance. To do this, you must first clearly define the object or outcome you wish to manifest. For example, if you want to attract more money, this step involves giving away a portion of your existing wealth to others. While this may seem counterintuitive according to common cultural beliefs, it aligns with universal principles. A recommended amount is around 10% to 20% of your wealth shared with others. This act creates a positive karmic imbalance, which in turn triggers the natural flow of abundance back into your life. This karmic imbalance must naturally correct itself, as universal law dictates that everything must return to balance. Nothing can remain unbalanced for long within the fabric of time and space. The final step in this process is to fully feel the emotions of already having your desired outcome. Continuing with the previous example, if you wish to attract financial abundance, you should visualize and express gratitude as if you have already received it. By doing so, the universe responds by aligning circumstances, opportunities, and events that lead to the fulfillment of your desire, bringing the abundance you seek into your reality. These 3 steps must be followed in order for the law of attraction to work effectively. Many people fail to achieve their desired results because they do not apply these steps in the correct sequence. At times, individuals may even manifest their desires by accident, unknowingly aligning with this universal law. However, when applied consciously and in the proper order, this method becomes a powerful tool for creating the reality you seek. The final method is also the simplest. Pretend you are already living in your desired reality. The universe doesn't give you what you want. It gives you what you are. You attract only the things that match your vibration. Therefore, to manifest the reality you want, you must first embody the person who already lives that reality. For example, if you want to attract $1 million, you must first think, feel, and act like a millionaire in every moment, shifting your vibration to align with that new reality. In all manifestation methods, 2 key elements are essential: imagination and feelings. Imagination, also known as thought forms, serves as the foundation of our reality since everything originates in the mind. Feeling the emotions of your desired reality as if you are experiencing it in every cell of your body is the driving force that brings manifestation into being. However, the prerequisite for creation is entering a void state by fully connecting with the present moment, the divine consciousness. Begin with present moment awareness, then combine it with imagination and feelings. These 3 elements are the foundation of successful manifestation, regardless of the method you use. Remember, every manifestation has a germination period. Be patient and practice consistently. In time, you will see your manifestations come to fruition.